living local.
That's good.
Well, home maintenance is key for any homeowner, but what about the upkeep of your doors and windows? And how often should they be changed? Here to answer those questions and more is JR with High West Siding and Windows. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
So talk to me about, one thing I didn't know is that, actually, before we talk about that, why is it important to purchase new windows and doors? Like to just, replace them, I guess?
Well, yeah, replacement windows and doors is a key thing in your home, just due to the fact of energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest things that we deal with today. Airflow through these systems, a lot of things with that, just saving money. And at the end of it, the aesthetics, the beauty of the products, just increase the value of your home overall.
And that's one thing I never knew you even had to replace them. So
Yeah.
When would you say is a good time of the year to do that?
Any time is a good time of year. Winter is great, fall and winter, just due to the fact that you can get better deals a lot of times during this time of year. The weather here is so good, we can really work in any time of the year. So winter's a great time, a lot of specials going on. A lot of times we'll offer better specials this time of year, so it's a great time. Do it.
So what types of windows and doors do you guys offer?
There's a lot of different types of windows and doors out there. Specific products and types, there's many. What we like to use is we've got a couple different products. We use a composite system that we have for doors. We have composite systems for windows. We have our EnviroView window program, vinyl windows. We've got our Verde program, which is a green window through Sunrise. So quite a different options, and everything we try to use is maintenance free.
There's so many things I'm learning about right now.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot.
So talk to me about the qualifications you guys have there so that your clients can feel comfortable in replacing those doors and windows.
We've got a lot of experience. We've been here local for over, I think, about 23 years. I've been in the industry for about 25 years or so. So I've installed windows my entire life. Dealt with it my entire life, new construction, remodel, been through multiple training through the years, just a lot of field experience and tying different products together because we have so much experience with siding, windows, roofing, outdoor living products. So we've gotten very good and adept at tying these products together to make them work in conjunction with each other to look good but function well for your home.
So tell me, I know there's competitors out there doing the same thing. What sets you guys apart and why should people choose you?
Well, I think High West has a lot of good things about it, just the fact that we have a lot of experience. A lot of people working for this company have been in the industry for a long time. A lot of businesses, 50% go out of business within the first year in the construction industry. Within 5 years, 96%. We've been in here in the Colorado Springs area for 23 years. So we've made it through that process. We've refined that process. We follow a very strict installation procedure, which is better for us, for the client, overall for the product that we're putting in. So we do everything we can to make sure that we're following strict guidelines for installation, but to make the product beautiful, look good, lasts forever, maintenance-free products, that kind of thing.
So I'm not a homeowner, but when I do become one, say I purchase a new house, brand new, when should I start thinking about the time to replace? After how many years?
If you've got an older home, there's a lot of homes different ages, all over town. If you're going up to your windows and you feel a lot of cold, you feel drafts, you feel things like that, it might be time. You've got old metal windows, those just aren't quite as good. There's a lot of products out there now that will replace that and save you tons of money over time, and they'll function better. You notice your old windows often won't open very well. They've been painted over, wood products, metal products, a lot of issues with those types of products. So we can help solve those problems at hopefully an affordable rate for you.
So if anyone out there wants to get more information and talk to you, get some more details, where are you guys located and how can they contact you?
We're right here local in town. We work the entire Front Range. You can reach us online. We have specials all the time running on Facebook. We're all over the place. We advertise in many different mediums. You can reach us at our office, 719-522-0561. You can message our people through the Facebook program that we run, all sorts of different ways. Just you can find us here local. We'll be ready for you.
Thank you so much. And like you said, if you want to learn more, just visit highwestsiding.com. And when